Welcome to Go Lesson 26. Today we will learn about the select statement. Select lets you wait on multiple channel operations at once. We will cover multiplexing, non-blocking operations, timeouts, and the default case. Let us start with select basics. We import FMT and time for output and delays. We create two string channels. The first go routine sends to channel 1 after 1 second. The second go routine sends to channel 2 after 2 seconds. Select waits on both channels. Whichever receives first, that case runs. We use a loop to receive from both channels. Review the complete code before we save. Let us review with syntax highlighting. Watch the output. Channel 1 receives first, then channel 2. Now let us explore the default case for non-blocking operations. We create a channel that receives a message after 2 seconds. In the loop, select tries to receive from the channel. If no message is ready, the default case runs instead of blocking. This is a non-blocking receive. We can do other work while waiting. Here is a non-blocking send. If the channel is full, default runs. The buffered channel already has one message. The second send goes to default. Review the complete code. Let us run it. Watch how default runs while waiting for the message. After 4 attempts, the message arrives and we receive it. Let us learn how to implement timeouts with select. We create a channel and a go routine that takes 3 seconds. The select waits for either the result or a timeout. Time.After returns a channel that receives after the specified duration. If the operation takes longer than 2 seconds, the timeout case runs. Here is a second example with a shorter operation. This coroutine completes in 500 milliseconds before the 1-second timeout. Review the complete code with both examples. Watch the output. The first times out, the second succeeds. Timeout received value 42 because it completed before the deadline. Finally, let us see select inside a loop for continuous processing. We create a data channel and a done channel. The producer sends 5 values, then signals done. Each send has a 300 millisecond delay to simulate work. The consumer uses an infinite loop with select. Select handles 3 cases: data, done, and timeout. When done is received, we return and exit the loop. The timeout case handles inactivity, useful for detecting stalls. Review the complete producer-consumer pattern. Watch processing 1 through 5, then all done. Let us recap the select statement. Select waits on multiple channels. The first ready case runs. Default provides non-blocking behavior when no channel is ready. Time.After creates timeouts. Use select in loops for continuous processing. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we will explore the sync package for mutexes and wait groups.